This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
The fuel pump switch, sometimes called the inertia switch, which shuts off fuel to the engine in the event of a collision, affords a simple and convenient means by which fuel pressure can be relieved before servicing fuel injection components. The inertia switch is located in the right side of the trunk behind the trim carpeting. Peel back the carpeting and unplug the inertia switch electrical connector. Start the engine and allow it to run until it stops. This should take only a few seconds. Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Chock the rear wheels. Raise the right side of the vehicle and support it on jack stands. The inline fuel filter is mounted under the car on the right side, in front of the fuel tank. Position a drain pan underneath the fuel filter to catch any residual fuel that may leak out. Inspect the fittings at both ends of the filter to see if they're clean. If more than a light coating of dust is present, clean the fittings before proceeding. Disengage the plastic fuel line fitting retainers from the filter by carefully prying upward with a small screwdriver. Separate the fuel line from the connector fittings on both ends of the filter. Loosen the hose clamp, then remove the old filter. Take note the direction of the fuel flow arrow on the filter. It should point toward the engine. Install the new fuel filter into the bracket with the arrow pointing in the correct direction. Tighten the hose clamp securely. Carefully push each fuel line onto the fittings on the filter until the lines are seated. Attach the hairpin clips and make sure both fuel lines are securely fastened to the fuel filter. Lower the car to the ground. When you're finished working on the fuel system, plug the electrical connector back into the switch. If the inertia switch was popped or activated during the procedure, push the reset button on the top of the switch. Fold back the carpeting panel to its original position. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely. Turn the ignition switch to the on position and wait a few seconds to allow the fuel system to pressurize. Then start the engine and check for fuel leaks.